Makes 8 mini loaves with holiday designs, great for gifts. Heavy cast aluminum for even heating and exceptional durability. 6 cup. Made in the USA. Holiday mini loaves pan Bundt Bakeware features the best of our classic Bundt shapes. The even baking properties and fine details that only cast aluminum can provide are highlighted by a rich black non-stick finish. 8 fun designs include bell, Santa, candy cane, bow, gingerbread man, candle, Christmas tree and snowman. Proudly made in the USA by Nordic Ware. Top reviews from the United States. I'm having a wonderful time baking mini loaves of banana or date bread in this adorable molds. My neighbors will all be receiving little breads in their holiday bags this year, much more festive than the plain loaves they've received previously. Another plus, they will be pretty mini cakes I serve on a plate during the holidays. They won't require icing since a dusting of powdered sugar will make them oh so cute while reducing my calorie intake.